the second video in our Sensor Hub series. Today's video is about the Arduino Uno and its microcontroller. The title of this video is Introduction to the Arduino Uno Microcontroller Board. As you can see here, this is the Arduino board, and it comes with its own cable, USB cable that you hook up to your computer so that you can hook it up to your computer. I will use my helping hands arm that has this magnifying glass on it so you can see the board up close. So I pick up the board so that you can see a little closer at how you can see the digital pins at the very top, 13 on down to 0 there. You can see the analog down at the bottom down here, the analog in A0 to A5. You can see the power source. Even where it shows the reset, it shows the 3.3 volts, the 5 volts, then you see 2 ground, then you see the VIN. You also can see the little ports. If I turn it around, you can see where you hook up your USB. You can also see the other power little part there that you can plug in a cord with. So this is how the board looks. This part right here that you see where I got my finger on, this actually is your microcontroller. This is a AT Mega 328P, and that's what is on the Arduino Uno board. The Arduino Uno board is a good board to use because it's easy to use, and it's actually recommended for beginners and also hobbyists. There's so many things that could be done with the Arduino board. But first, let's go into what the microcontroller is, because this one is your brain of the Arduino board, okay? A microcontroller is actually a small computer. We'll say it's a small programmable computer, and it reads input from a variety of sensors. Okay, and it also controls the output, like if you're using motors or lights or displays. So it comes, it's really, really handy. Another thing about the microcontroller is that it runs one program. It's not like your computer where your computer might run, you got different softwares that it's running and all those things like that. It doesn't do that. What it does, let's use the example of a smoke detector. If you have a smoke detector, it's going to run that one program over and over and over. It uses if-else statements. Sort of like it's saying that if there's smoke, it's telling it to beep, which means on. Or else, if not on, it's telling you not to beep, which is off. So it's simple like that, and that's what a microcontroller does. It just runs one thing. It does one program over and over and over. It's not going to do all the different things that your computer can do, like, a big computer. But it's very smart because it's used in so many things. It's used in so many smart things of today. But for more information about that, I encourage you to click on the link in the description on this video, because you'll read the article that actually has way more information about it. Okay, so what I would like to do now is explain to you how you would hook up your Arduino board to the computer to read the program that you're trying to execute. The first thing you would do is go to this website that you see here, and on this website you're going to download the software onto your computer. Once you've downloaded the code, you should have this little icon on your computer. You're going to click on that icon, okay, and it's going to bring up this image where it's showing you the sketch, but this is a blank sketch where you see void setup and void loop. Okay, so in here is where you write your own code. Okay, now if you wanted to use, like today, we're going to use one from the public domain, which is it's the Arduino's Hello World, and it's called Blink. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Examples, go over to Basics. Of course, it's not letting me do what I'm trying to do to show you. Okay, and in Basics there, you're going to go to Blink. You're going to click on Blink. Okay, and once you click on Blink, it's going to bring Blink up. And as you can see, the code is already wrote in for us. Okay, now if we were to check our code, we're going to go up and we're going to click on this check mark. This is just letting you know that this is what we do to check it. So you click on it, and at the bottom down here, you'll see where it's actually checking. You see that green go across there, okay? Also, another thing too, it lets you know what port your board is on, where it's showing me that mine is on 4. Okay? I urge you to read the article that's accompanied with this if you go to the description, because it'll give you more detail about what the Arduino board is and how to understand everything on the sketch part, everything, because this is not a long video to show you. So next, what we're going to do is hook up our Arduino board using the USB cable cord for this Blink program. As you can see, I've hooked up the USB cable cord up to the cord on here. Okay, since I've already downloaded the code, you can see where it's doing the blink. Just that simple. Look how quick and easy that is. And you see the blink that's going on. Again, I say go to my article, and you will see all the information, even explaining more of the code to you and all of that. So check it out. I thank you for being here with me for video 2. Now the next videos that we do will be on all the sensors. So I'm hoping that you understand the Arduino board. I will try to give you more tips on it and that as we go along. You won't need a breadboard, all those things like that. I will explain in each one so you'll understand it better. So thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in video 3. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.